children. Good morning. Every day a good morning for you. Yes? Okay. Now, we saw the meals of the day. That is your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner. And adding to that, what should you take? Yes. Water. How many glasses of water? Yes. 6 to 8 or 9 glasses. As much of water as you can drink, you should drink. Then I'll tell you what is it? Good eating habits. Good eating habits. What is good eating habits? What are the habits? Tell me. One is you should wash your hands before you begin to eat. Go wash both your hands. Then go and sit down and have your breakfast or your lunch or your snacks or your dinner. See, you keep playing in the school, no? And then your hands will become dirty. Then the rubber, you keep on erasing what you write and all. That makes your hands, fingers dirty. So you should first wash your hands before eating. You should wash your hands before you start eating. And then, what kind of food should we eat? We should eat clean food, fresh food, not yesterday's curry, day before yesterday's rice and all that. No. Tell mommy to give you clean food, fresh food. Understand? Because for children, yes, all of us need good food, need food, fresh food and all that. So eat fresh, clean food. And then, yes, eat fresh food. First one is eat fresh food. Morning, fresh. Sorry. Okay? FOOD is food. So you should eat good food in the morning for your breakfast. Drink fresh milk. Drink fresh water. Afternoon again, fresh food. Cook that day itself. Understood? No bringing yesterday's sambar, yesterday's papchar and all that. No. You should only eat clean and fresh and good food. So, afternoon you have your lunch. No? And at what time do you have your lunch? You have your lunch at 10 o'clock. No. 10 o'clock you will be in the school and your miss will be teaching you. 11 o'clock? No. Miss will be writing something on the board and she tells you to copy it down in your notes. Then at 12 o'clock, yes. Then at 12 o'clock you have your lunch. So today you eat at 12 o'clock, Friday. Saturday you go home and eat 1 o'clock. Huh? And Sunday you eat at 4 o'clock. Is that a good habit? No. Every day you should have your lunch or your breakfast or your dinner at the correct time. From Monday, 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Tuesday, 12 o'clock. Wednesday, 12 o'clock. Thursday, 12 o'clock. Friday, 12 o'clock. Saturday, 5 o'clock. Sorry, 12 o'clock. Sunday, we don't eat. Miss, we play, miss. Miss, we watch TV, miss. Miss, I sleep, miss. No. Even on a Sunday, even if it is a holiday, you should have your lunch correctly at 12 o'clock. Isn't it? Eat your meals at the same time every day. Same time. Breakfast 8 o'clock. From Monday to Sunday 8 o'clock. Your lunch from Monday to Sunday 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Your snacks 4 o'clock. Your dinner 8 o'clock. Or even before that 7 o'clock. So these are the good eating habits. Okay. Then I will tell you how you should eat your food. You only see, you put some dosa or some, what should I say, idli. Put it in your mouth. Do you just swallow it down your throat? No. You have teeth, no? On the upper jaw and the lower jaw you have teeth. So you have to chew your food well. Understand? No just swallowing. Eat your food well. Chew it, chew it, chew it. Navalali. Chewing means what? Navaltam. In between the teeth you put it between the two jaws and eat it and make it paste. Then you can swallow it. Okay? And then eat with your mouth closed. Some people eat, no? They put such a lot of rice and they go and eat like a meal. No. You should eat little by spoon, little by little. Take it into your mouth. Close your mouth, close your lips. Chew it slowly and gently. Close your mouth and eat. That is what a good girl should do. What do bad girls do? They eat it and they eat it, however, they make big sound. They make a sound while chewing the food. No. When you go out for parties and all, they'll say, well, what a girl she is, no? She doesn't know how to eat properly. So you should put the food inside, close your lips and start chewing it inside. Then you swallow it. Swallowing means what? Take it down your throat into your stomach. Then wash your hands before and after eating. I told you, no? Before you should wash your hand, before eating. Nowadays, Corona, COVID-19. They're telling you, go wash your hands, sanitize, use a sanitizer, go wash your hand for every half an hour, 20 minutes, 15 minutes. So before you can start eating your food, you should wash your hands. After eating food, no, you should be very good. You are good children now. So go to the wash basin, wash your hands, wash your mouth, take little water into your mouth and gargle it. Gargling means what? Then all the little food stuck everywhere, no, they come out. So gargle your gargle your mouth with water. Wash your hands, wash your mouth, wash your lips. Isn't it? Rinse your mouth after meal. Rinsing means what? Gargling. Take some water into your mouth. Don't swallow. Just put it in your mouth and do what? And you swallow that. You spit out that water. Now you understood what kind of food we eat, when to eat, how to eat, the different kinds of food we eat, and how food helps us. But one thing I tell you, never waste your food. Even sister tells you during the assembly time, no? Don't waste your food. Or don't give it to the ayahs. Ayah, you eat. Mummy gave you or mummy gave it to the ayahs? Mummy made such tasty food for the children, for the small child like you. So you should eat food, not the ayahs or throwing it in the dustbin or throwing it on the ground. Now you understood about food and how food helps you. You get food from plants and animals. You have 3 meals a day. That is breakfast, lunch and dinner. And then your good eating habits. Wash your hands before eating and after eating. Isn't it? Wash your hands. When should you wash your hands? Before you start eating and after you finish eating. And you should eat what kind of food? Clean and fresh food. Clean and fresh food. Drink water. Understood? Don't waste water also. And then chew your food well. Chew your food well. And then when you go on chewing it, it becomes like paste. Then you can swallow it. Then the food gets digested very easily in the stomach. And the last one is, again you have to wash your hands after eating, isn't it? Wash your hands before and after eating. Okay? Then rinse your mouth. Put some water in your mouth and gargle your mouth. And you spit it out. Rinse your mouth. So what is rinsing the mouth? Putting water in your mouth and rinsing it and spitting it out. So that any little food particles stuck in the mouth will come out. Then no germs will get into your mouth. Isn't it? Then you will not have any bad teeth or bad tooth or anything. Okay? Now you understood the lesson, children? Okay. So this is the end of the lesson. And tomorrow I'll give you the notes on this. Better stay at home. No going out anywhere. And learn the lesson. Read the lesson. See the pictures. What nice pictures you have, no? See. Milk, your breakfast, fruits, and who gives us fruits? Trees give us fruits. And then meals of the day, breakfast, your lunch, your dinner, and then good eating habits. Eat good food. Wash your hands before eating and after eating as well. Chew your food well, and then rinse your mouth. Okay, children? Okay. Bye, children, for today. You go through the lesson and read. Tomorrow I'll give you notes.